Now there is a very important issue that we need to discuss in this context, such as if we get back to our page and reload, we can see that there is no such thing such as a comment section that should be present over here. If you want to have some comments regarding your page, so you need to create a comment box over here. So that is why you need to get back to your admin dashboard, and you can see that so far there is no such thing as a comment field right down below of your compositing text field. So all you need to do, get up, and in this extreme right part you can see that there is a box with a screen options. So click in, and you can see that on top of this admin dashboard there is something such as these revisions, custom fields. So among all of them, choose this discussion, and now if you get back to the bottom part of your page, you can see that here comes the discussion segment which sets an allow comments at the bottom of your page. So just check this box, allow comments, update, get back to your project and reload, and you can see that this comment segment is now on. So as we have logged in as an admin here, so that is why it is not showing any kind of, for say, your email or your name or this sort of thing. So all we need to do, in case if we want to have a look at it, we need to log out and we need to reload, and you can see that name, email and website field is present right over here, and here comes the comment section. So let's log in again. And we are providing this password, so we have logged in. And in case of pages, get back, services that we have created so far. So if we now get back as a logged in user, and you can see that name and website and the rest of those things, those are gone, as you are now a valid logged in user. So all you need to do now, you need to comment in. Now the problem is, in case if you decide that no, I do not wish to have a comment field over here, so we need to disable that comment field. How is it possible? Let's get back to our page, admin dashboard page section, and here from this bottom segment we are now first unchecking this allow comments, and in the next case from this extreme right panel screen options, all we are now going to do, we are going to uncheck this discussion field. Then we are just updating our page, getting back to our page and reloading, and we can see that comment segment is now gone. So in case if you want to turn on your comment segment, or if you want to turn it off, then all you need to do, you need to do so via this particular button, screen options, and you can turn your comments field on or off anytime by checking or unchecking this discussion field over here. So this is how you can create your page. So the main point is, if you want to turn your comment segments on or off, then all you need to do, you need to go to the top of the screen and into this extreme right segment, there goes the screen options button, click it, and you need to turn on this discussion part from here. So that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys have liked this tutorial. If you guys have liked this tutorial, then do not hesitate to hit that red subscribe button down below. Hope to see you guys in our next tutorial. Till then, bye.